Can business save the Earth? Can technology be good or bad? Technology is used to clear forests, build industrial and power plants, lead to conflicts and wars, promote resources, and much more. Is technology therefore in contrast to nature? Definitely not. Man alone determines whether specific forms of technology are used to humanize or dehumanize the living environment, whether it can destroy nature or even help to preserve it. This is especially true for technologies that deal with energy production and the recycling of waste. In the production of energy, we are relying more and more on regenerative energies, which are practically inexhaustibly available to mankind. But even regenerative energies have their limits. The sun does not shine 24 hours a day. Wind is neither predictable nor continuous. Without a sustainable storage technology, the security of energy supply also tilts. This leaves only the most important, and according to the state-of-the-art, cleanest electricity producers, power plants with oil or gas as fuel, but these are expensive and mean political dependencies. Must this remain so? No. With our new technologies, we have the possibility to regenerate important raw materials, to produce energy in an ecologically and economically sensible way, to use new materials in order to save energy in the future. Landfills are thus becoming enormously important suppliers of raw materials. Step 1 is induction thermolysis with a downstream CHP, a self-sufficient production plant with its own energy supply. It is highly efficient, absolutely safe, and guarantees a high return on important raw materials from waste, refuse, and residual materials. At the same time, your end products help us to produce clean, environmentally friendly energy. The plants are operated using simple, safe technology, and they can be expanded and combined with other systems and technologies in almost any way. Due to the closed operating system, there is no environmental pollution and there is no CO2 pollution from the downstream CHP. Reactors neutralize the exhaust gases. With the use of this technology, landfills will become valuable raw material suppliers in the future. The resulting raw materials will become valuable energy sources and end products, and at the same time, the environmental pollution will be drastically reduced. Generated gases are used to supply energy for our own use and thus ensure that energy prices will remain affordable in the future. The contaminated soils are recultivated, and due to the special modular construction, the systems can be easily adapted to the local conditions. The second step is a special high-temperature gasification process. The high-temperature gasification process is a self-sufficient production plant with its own energy supply. The production of environmentally friendly energy is obtained from contaminated materials and hazardous waste. Since it is a self-contained system, the environment is not polluted by any emissions such as CO2. At the same time, our process is able to produce a fully usable town gas. Temperatures of at least 1,800 degrees Celsius eliminate all pollutants and toxins in the process. Both technologies are capable of solving our waste problems and at the same time an essential energy problem of our planet. The third step are end products from the carbon pressing technology. What advantages does this technology bring us? This is the production of a completely new, light and robust insulation material. Megaformer Z18 is non-flammable but extremely breathable, toxin-free, and, in case of a later disposal, no hazardous waste is produced. Therefore, the material has no negative effect on our health. The building material is temperature and pressure stable and at the same time weather resistant and can be delivered in almost any color. The thermal insulation value is about 10 times higher than that of the insulation material used today in the construction industry. These panels can then be coated with our special coating process. Thus, every facade cladding becomes a solar module at the same time and even produces energy effectively at twilight. We can heat surfaces, we can cool surfaces, we can illuminate surfaces, and we can use surfaces to store electricity. But we can also place all properties on one surface and all connections are simply printed. Now is the time to break new ground, new ways that help to preserve our nature, correct old mistakes, and make a significant contribution to the health of our Earth.
Find out more, pluspunktenergy.com.
Save the future now!